when it's just you, well, times can be tough. When there's no one there to catch.
Hello guys, this is Computer Age, and if you own a Samsung J7 Prime, then you may be receiving an Oreo update by the end of 2018. Yes, this is absolutely true. The news has been flashed on several websites, but among them there are websites which can be trusted and cannot be fake. And Samsung has released a list of probable phones getting Oreo update. The list is released keeping in view the hardware specifications of the phone. And happy moment for the Samsung J7 Prime users is that the hardware setup of this J7 Prime matches up the requirements. Okay, so I will take you to a website which I have been using for years and is a trusted website by the name samemobile.com. Right here you can see it has released out a list of probable phones who are going to get Oreo update by the end of 2018. As you know, Samemobile has been genuine and legal official supplier of Samsung ROMs for years, and I have been using, many people have been using this website for over a long time. Right here at the top you can see these devices are going to get Oreo update. This is for sure, and there is no question about that. And here are the list of devices. At the top you can see there is Galaxy S8. This is a high-end phone. Definitely is going to get the update, and below it is S8 Plus and S8 Active, and right here at the just below it is Note series, Note 8, Note FE. Then comes Galaxy 7, and it moves down and so on. Now what about Samsung J7 series? Are they going to get update? As per the Samemobile, these devices may or may not get Android 8.0, that's Android Oreo. And at the fourth position you can see there is Samsung J7 2016, that is Samsung J7 Prime. It may or may not get, there are 50-50 chances of happening this or not. So just keep up the hope, and let's hope to see Samsung Oreo on Samsung J7 Prime by the end of 2018. And there will be lots of ROMs available, you know, custom ROMs, third-party ROMs like Lineage and so on. It's a good news. So also keep track on XDA developers site. They may help you to experience Android Oreo on your Samsung. So this is it for now, guys. Please like, share and subscribe.